The beginning at the radio station. The fucking guy. Hella good Sammy and Redlands, dude. Shout out. Yeah. Toby Hooper. Little smoke show, dude. Little lank in the 70s, 80s seemed like it was the shit, dude. They played it loose. They're about to have a run-in. These two happy sons bitches, they just think they're gonna. You guys think you're just gonna cross the Texas plains truck, or you throw it in reverse? You're telling me you can't throw it back in reverse? Where'd he come? This guy's been busting shots out the window. Murdered in a. You gotta love that.